This tutorial will show how to integrate SwiftUI in UIKit project. The application has a UIKit button. When pressed, displays a populated SwiftUI list. When the list is pressed, the selected record is then displayed within the UIKit view. So this is the application we will create. The button on the screen is a UIKit button. When I click on the button, it will display a SwiftUI list view. When I select any of the records from the list, the information will be returned to the UIKit view. And this is the UIKit project. If I click on the main storyboard, you will see that it includes storyboards that has one view controller and one button and also a label. So the button name is called Show SwiftUI List Button, and the label is called Selected Name Label, and this is within UIKit. Now I'll open up the view controller within UIKit, and as you can see, the button has a selector which is listening for an event, touch up inside event. So when the user clicks on the button, it will call the show list tapped function, which is this one here. The function show list tapped is marked with OBJC, which is Objective-C function, making it accessible to the Objective-C runtime. It's called when the button is tapped. This method handles the creation and presentation of a SwiftUI view from within a UIKit view controller. And this block of text that I've highlighted between lines 31 and 34, it creates an instance of the people list view with a closure or callback that handles the selected name that was passed from the SwiftUI view. And it also uses weak self to prevent any strong reference cycles or retain cycles. Lines 33 is used to dismiss the SwiftUI view after we have selected our records. On lines 36 to 37, we use the UI hosting controller. The purpose of that controller is to display a SwiftUI view via UIKit. Now I'll show the actual SwiftUI view, which is called People List View. On lines 24, we have a callback. The purpose of the callback is to send the selected name back to the view controller. The selected name is the name or the value that has been selected on the SwiftUI view or from the list. To populate the actual SwiftUI view, we use a hard-coded array, as you can see, between lines 15 and 21, and then we loop through the array. And on lines 35, this is where our closure gets called, on person selected. This is where we pass the person's name to the UIKit view. So when this is in action, when we run it, this view, this SwiftUI view, will be displayed to the screen after clicking on the UIKit button. I'll run it again. This is the UIKit button, and this is the SwiftUI view. Click on the name, and the name has been displayed on the UIKit view. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.